वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभः निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. First of all, a very happy Ganesh festival to all of you all. Most of us are tired of making and eating sweet modaks. So today we are here with masala modaks for all of you all. So if you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the earliest notifications of my video. So now let's see the recipe. Ingredients for making the masala modaks are half cup of besan or gram flour, 1 cup of wheat flour, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoon of red chili powder, 4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoon of oil, 4 tablespoon of oil, 2 for the dough and 2 for the tadka, 2 tablespoon of coarsely grinded and roasted peanut powder, 3/4 cup of desiccated coconut, 2 tablespoon of sesame seeds, these are roasted and grinded coarsely, and 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder. Modak covering, firstly we are making the dough. Firstly add the wheat flour, the gram flour or the besan, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder and some amount of dhania powder. Add some salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add a pinch of asafoetida powder or hing. Now as per requirement add the water and mix it well. Ensure that the dough is well binded, it's not too loose. Now our nice dough is ready. Now we will let it rest for some time, and meanwhile we will prepare the stuffing for the modaks. For the stuffing, add the desiccated coconut, the peanut powder, the sesame seeds, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, some salt to taste, a little bit of dry mango powder. Mix all the contents well. Just put a little oil to make it moist. You can even add some coriander leaves in it, but due to pollution we are not adding it today. You can add half teaspoon of garam masala. This is optional. Now we will make the modaks. First of all, take a small quantity of a dough and roll it into a small chapati or a puri. It should be flat and thin from the edges. Now add a spoonful of stuffing to it, but ensure that you are not adding it too much and too less. And in this way, to make the modaks, seal the edges. This type of sealing gives a very nice shape to the modaks. Remove the excess part from above. So our modak is ready. Like this, make all the modaks. Put the gas on medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil for the tadka. Now add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, some cumin seeds. Off the gas and add water. Here we have added 1.5 cup water. Now add the chili powder, the turmeric and the coriander powder. Add some asafoetida or hing. After adding the water, put the gas immediately on. Now we have added all the contents and we will mix them well. Let the water come to boil. Salt to taste. Now the water is started boiling. Now slowly add the modaks which we have prepared already. this with a lid and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Ensure that the modaks are well cooked from inside. 20 minutes are over and the modaks are cooked. Now we had kept some stuffing aside. Now add a spoonful of this stuffing. This is only to make the gravy thick and nice. And after adding this stuffing, again cook them for about 5 minutes. So the gravy has been thickened due to the masala we have put, and the modaks too are ready. Now we will serve them in a bowl. Garnished this with desiccated coconut, as we are not using the coriander due to Paryushan. So you can also use coriander if you want. So our one dish meal and masala modaks are ready to be served. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the earliest notifications of my video.